Oh, dear.
Look out, you guys! Here they come! Here they come!
Battle station! Light them up!
Let's go! Get up to safety! Here we go! Okay, now blow! Now would be an ideal time to blow.
It's not working. Holy shit, it worked.
Oh my God. Okay, here now, we mop up the stragglers.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Would those be considered the stragglers?
Oh boy, here they come. Get ready!
Kill those motherfuckers!
Guys, I hate to say this. I think this might be the end of the road.
Here, come here.
I love you guys. I love you more.
We had a hell of a run.
Oh my God, they're gonna die. Sunday! Sunday! Sunday!
Thank God for rednecks!
Need a ride?
Oh, yeah.
Get in.
Let's go!
Y'all strapped in yet?
Yep, strapping in now. Group 4, got it.
You too.
I'm not a pussy like Columbus, nothing personal. Shit, seatbelts are there for a reason.
Yep.
I'm feeling a little nauseous. Can somebody crack a window, maybe?
No, you don't.
Look, roll down the window, please.
If you get sick, we all get sick.
Oh, God. Can you just pull over so I can get eaten by zombies? Be more comfortable.
Oh shit, watch out!
Do it! Oh my God, you are sexy.
Can you please not say sexy? I'm already nauseous.
Thank you for flying, big fat dad.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! I told you these things were a huge rollover risk.
We gotta move.
Come on! Hurry, hurry! They're coming! Come on, here they come! Go, 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 go! Oh, shit! Come on!
Thank you. Thank you.
Here they come! Guys, go, go, go! I'm right
You can't write the history of Zombieland without telling the story of one momentous day. The day one free man made the ultimate sacrifice and paid respect to the Blackfoot ancestors he may or may not have had. The day he led the first, the last, the only great American zombie jump. Century. Only one problem. Well, okay, two.
Tallahassee!
Come on, hang on, we're coming.
Hold on!
Help! I'm
I
falling!
can't help you!
Ah, guys! Help me!
Oh, shit. Okay, what should we do?
Throw something at him!
Oh, shit. Okay, shit, sorry.
What? You hit me in the nuts with a hacky sack!
Sorry.
I'm losing my grip! I'm gonna fall! No! Oh, no! Long live the king.
Oh.
Ooh.
Guys, I'm still here!
Give me your hand, give me your hand.
Come on,
Okay, give me your foot.
Kick your foot out!
God damn it, Columbus! This
Point your toe.
stupid chain thing
Point
is
your
a
toe.
terrible idea! Yeah!
Kick. I got it.
Got it! Pull!
Okay, I got you.
Oh, man. Are you okay?
Yeah,
That was amazing.
thank you. You kept the gun?
How could I give up my favorite Christmas present ever?
Why didn't you pull it out sooner?
I forgot about it, but I smoked a lot of weed.
Chip off the old block.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Yes, yes.
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 Yes?
Yes.
Really? What changed your mind?
Because Zombieland or not, we're meant to be together.
So basically that means this belongs to her.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
do the thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Which hand do I?
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Here we go. Wow. Here.
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.